Look at me, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Y'all remember these, right? These the OGs. Only my day one subscribers remember these things. But yeah, it sucks. I ended up, this is when I was trying to do the merch and stuff like that. I was working with some homies. They big time dropped the ball, and I basically had to cut the cut the homie-ship and cut the production line with networking with them. So yeah, if you got one of these t-shirts, this thing gonna be a antique. Especially if you got because we only offered these for a little bit, you feel me? These are like one-off. These are gonna be like the first editions, Mike first edition line of merch. So if you still got this thing in a package, you better hold on to it. All jokes aside, so what we got going on today? We're doing a couples ride along. To be honest, this whole couples ride along thing, like, it's so dope because now it gives me the opportunity to do kind of like what I want to do, because we all know that sex sells. So when dudes see a cute girl in the car on the cover, they're automatically like, yo, cute girl, fast car, I'm there, we watching this. And my thing is, if I can get you to click my video and view it, then I'm pretty sure I can get you as a subscriber and a long-term supporter of my channel. Like, all I need you to do is give me a shot and click, and then I feel like I have you. With the couple rides, like, bam, you get a girl ride. Now you have that overall, oh, it's a fast car and a girl in the video, so dudes are gonna wanna click it. You're gonna have the thirsties that are here for the girls and they're here for the cars, so you get the best of both worlds. And then, you have the dude, all right, bro, come on, let's go ride. I gave your girl a ride, no, I can give you a ride. And then you have that genuine, the automotive enthusiast. Like, he's an enthusiast, he's the real corporate, he's the big fan, so he's the one that really wants to ride, and that's the one I really want to give a ride to. So it's like I can capitalize off the views of the girls, but at the same time, it's like I can actually give one of my fans a life-changing experience, because when you ride in something fast, it's like, yo, that shit will motivate you like crazy. So I'm gonna start a new series doing this couple things. It's gonna be, I don't know, the clickbait and enthusiast. I don't know, I gotta figure out a name for it. So look who's just pulling up.
Hey,
this man and pulled up, hit me. Hey, we about to make it happen.
My yams in your hands.
That nigga said, my yams in your hands. I fuck with, bro. Nah, you good.
Careful now.
you be good. She'll make it back in one piece. I'm gonna give you a ride first though.
All right, bet.
What's up, girl? This is the one he didn't put her life in my hands.
I'm excited. Hey. No, I'm really excited.
So, all right, we ask everybody, what's the fastest car you rode in?
The LS350Z. It was a drift car.
LS1, LS2, or LS3? LS3. All right, so probably about 450 to 500 horsepower. All right, what about you? What's the fastest shit you rode in?
I don't know right now. Shit. Probably like a Porsche or something.
Porsche, what year?
It was like an older Porsche, like a Carrera S.
Alright.
What is that shit called? Yeah, Carrera S.
Carrera S? Alright, yeah.
So like not that, feel stock.
Yeah, we. Alright.
Crazy fast.
Cool. Alright, we're gonna start with you first. You go ahead first, and then you next, girl.
Okay.
Alright, let me turn the power up. I'm not even gonna play you with.
Yeah,
like,
you gotta give it to me, bro. You gotta give it to me. I'm trying to see what this thing can do. Oh my god, I've seen too much of this car.
Tires are cold right now, so we're gonna probably spin the first hit.
That's crazy.
Just gotta get them warm. I'm about to hit it, that way I just warm them up again.
Oh my god! Nigga, oh my god.
Alright, tires they should be warm now. this trans ratio is so perfect that third and fourth are long, but they put down like just like it puts down everything.
Everything.
Like that's part of that's part of the reason this setup hooks so good. Like if I was on a CD09 or something, the gearing would probably be, you know, a little shorter, so it would probably spin. But since the gearing is longer, it's like at that perfect ratio to where it's like I can hook without, you know, boost my gear on a street tire still.
Yeah. Damn, that's wild.
Shit, we didn't even brake boost on them.
I know. That was just second gear. I'm lost for words right now. I don't even know what I can say.
Video, you can't really see how fast the car actually is until you actually ride in it. Like videos don't do justice of
They don't.
like
bruh.
portraying what
They
speed
don't.
looks like.
Bro, seeing all these lines passing is ridiculous. Oh my god. But the thing is that you weren't even on throttle that much and it's already moving.
Yeah, nah, that's like fifth gear roll. Like even in fifth gear, you get on this, start spooling up. This is like half throttle right now.
Yeah.
Even in like if I'm in fourth, like I don't have to drop down to third. Fourth gear will still pull once it hits. So that's a fourth gear pull right there.
That's all grid. All grid.
And if you really wanted to yike on somebody, you just go down to third, give them the brake boost. But you see, there's like literally no lag in between the gears.
This is better than a Supra. I'm sure.
So what you think?
That is more than what it looks like on YouTube. I'm telling you. That shit.
Show, good looking. Tell her to jump in.
All right.
Ready, girl?
She ready.
Yup, good.
This is what Noah wants.
Oh, the
To gut everything out. Put
yeah, if he's gonna do it,
cards.
do the LRB panels. The LRB panels look hella sick.
Yeah. I don't mind. But I like compartments. I'm like practical. You guys are not practical.
Race car.
Race cars. I don't mind. I don't think you can scare me, so all you.
It's all good.
You can try. Oh, shit! Proved it. Round of applause. The sound is so good.
That T51 R mod, the turbo spooler. Got the police right there too. If he starts making a U-turn, you just gonna have to kick one with me.
Oh, yeah. That's fine.
A little wiggly,
A little wiggle.
a little wiggle wiggle.
Well, that was one hell of a ride.
Thank you.
Thank
Glad you enjoyed it.
Never be in a fast car the same. I can never be in a fast car the same. This is fast.
So, last impressions. What you think?
Fast. It's ridiculous. Like the power on that thing, I have never felt.
So we had somebody in the comments was like, "There's no way this car makes 900 horsepower."
Oh, that's so bullshit.
They've never experienced it.
Yeah, it's like, bro, you can't tell how much a car makes based off of a video.
Fuck.
No, you couldn't. You really couldn't. It
Videos-
doesn't do it justice.
Yeah, you got to be
feel
in
it.
there.
You have to feel it.
You said this is an Integra. Absolutely not.
It's got no markings like that. I'm not
This is definitely not an Integra. Integra will never look this awesome. Bruh.
That nigga is tripping.
That nigga on one. I don't
Bruh.
know what the fuck he was thinking.
The disrespect. What was this? What's up with it? Oh, for sure.
Last time when I seen your car, I was like, that's him.
Yeah, what's good, bro?
That's good.
Hello, how you doing? Moms?
Shoot your videos though.
For sure, I just did another one with them right now. Hell yeah. Yep. You gonna see yourself on a vlog, bro? Yep. Alright, boy. Yeah, slam that thing. Or push it right there. Let me see.
Yeah, I was pushing
Yeah.
it, but
Nah, you gotta man it. It's a steel hood, boy. Nah, you gotta. Got you. Check it. You gotta. Look at this fool over here trying to steal my camera views, yo.
Tripping, nigga.
You know this is video, right? Yo, what'd you just say?
What is that? S13 maybe? I forget. I don't know. 240.
Yo, what's up with people calling this the wrong shit? Somebody just said it was Integra. You said it's S14.
Yeah, 240 SX maybe?
Absolutely not. That's a Lexus coupe.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's tough though. RPF 1s, I like those. I know
Yeah.
what those are.
For sure.
Yeah. Alright, man. I'll be start lunch.
For sure, bro. Have a good one. Damn, everybody calling my car what it is. Yeah, blow that thing up. Limiter. Put it on the limiter.
I'm dead.
just now getting back to the house. This video was extremely fun to shoot, and I'm pretty sure this series of videos is going to do really well because it's something that I genuinely enjoy doing. I know I may joke around like, oh, it's all for the girls and like getting around, but at the end of the day, we can all tell that the main portion of this is for, you know, for the bros. You know, I really want to influence more car enthusiasts and give them that experience that they want. So, you know, if this way, you know, the girls are more so for the thirst, the clickbait, for the niggas that are just gonna see the girl and just click on it. But at the end of the day, the real purpose of doing this is, like I said, so I can mingle with my core fan base, people that genuinely show love. Like, I can have one-on-one conversations. We can sit there and chop it up. Like, outside of the videos, we're probably sitting here talking for maybe an hour or two, just chopping it up and stuff. So this just gives me a good time to link up one-on-one with fans and stuff. You know, if you and your girl down to do ride-alongs, y'all trying to jump in, feel free to hit me up. If you local, let me know what's good. I'm down to do this. We can sit there, chop it up. Once all these restaurants and stuff open up, we can sit down, have lunch, eat pho, whatever we gotta do. You know, this is just, like I said, this is more so to have these one-on-one experiences with the fans. So if you down to ride in the SC, just let me know. I'm about to wrap this up, about to get to editing. Thank y'all for coming out. Thank you for viewing. If you're new to the channel and I got you with the cover, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure. Till next time, I got a lot of these videos coming up, so be ready for them.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a